enteric nervous system involves the nerve cells and nerve fibers which is located and originated within the gut wall, which supplies the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract except the upper part of the esophagus and the external anal sphincter, and it consists of two nerve plexus which are interconnected with each other, and the nerve plexus are the submucosal plexus or Meissner's plexus and Myenteric plexus or Orbach's plexus. Now we will see the details about this submucosal plexus and Myenteric plexus. So first I will explain the role of Myenteric plexus. First we have to explain about the location of the Myenteric plexus. Where is the Myenteric plexus located? Myenteric plexus is located in between the two layers of the muscular layer of the gut wall. That means it is located in between the inner circular and the outer longitudinal layer of the gut wall. So that is the location of the Myenteric plexus. And what is the important function of this Myenteric plexus? What is the important function of the Myenteric plexus? I told you that it is mainly involved in controlling the gut motility. So the first function, it controls the gut motility. So what is meant by this gut motility? It controls the tone of the gut. It controls the tone of the gut. Then it controls the intensity of this rhythmical contractions. It controls the intensity of the rhythmical contractions. Also, it controls the rate and velocity of the contraction. Controls the rate and velocity of contraction. So, main function of the Myenteric plexus is to control the gut motility, and it is meant by, if I am saying the control of gut motility, it includes maintenance of the tone of the gut, maintaining the intensity of this rhythmical contractions, and it controls the rate and velocity of the rhythmical contraction. And the second function is it helps in the inhibition of the pyloric sphincter. It inhibits the pyloric sphincter. So that means it actually has got a role in the emptying of stomach. And third point, it has got a role in inhibiting the ileocecal valve. Has got a role in inhibiting the ileocecal valve. That means it has got a role in controlling the emptying of the chyme from the small intestine into the cecum. So it controls the gut motility. It has got a role in inhibition of the pyloric sphincter and inhibition of the ileocecal valve. Have to remember about which are the excitatory neurotransmitter that helps in the activation of this Myenteric plexus, and which are the inhibitory neurotransmitter that helps in the inhibition of this Myenteric plexus. So the excitatory neurotransmitter which helps in the excitation of this Myenteric plexus include, so the excitatory neurotransmitters include acetylcholine, substance P, serotonin, etc. Whereas the inhibitory neurotransmitters include norepinephrine, neurotensin, VIP, etc. So this is about Myenteric plexus. First you have to talk about the location, second about the function, mainly the control of the gut motility, inhibition of this pyloric sphincter and ileocecal valve, and you have to talk about the excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitter that actually helps in exciting as well as inhibiting the Myenteric plexus.